Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your very own personal VPN server using WireGuard on both Ubuntu and Windows. This setup will help you secure your internet connection and protect your privacy. Let's dive in. The first step is to update your Ubuntu system to ensure that you have the latest packages and security updates, which will prevent potential issues during setup. You can do that with the following command. Now it's time to install WireGuard, which is what we'll use to create the VPN tunnel. Just run this command. Next, we need to generate the private and public keys for both the server and the client. These keys are essential for the security of the VPN connection. To generate the server keys, run the following commands. Next, generate the client keys for Windows using this command. You'll now have two sets of keys, one for the server and one for the client. These keys are used to securely authenticate the connection. After generating the keys, you can view them by using these commands. These keys are crucial for the security of your VPN connection. Keep the private keys secure and share only the public keys between the server and the client. Make sure to organize and protect the information you've copied, as you'll need it later in the setup process. At the next step, it is time to create the server configuration file. This file defines how WireGuard will handle the VPN connection. Create the configuration file by running this command. Then, paste the following configuration. Replace the placeholder keys with your actual keys. Tip: this configuration file specifies how WireGuard handles VPN connections. Make sure you replace these with your actual keys. Finally, this command helps you to set the correct permissions on the file. To have the server forward internet traffic over the VPN, you need to enable IP forwarding. IP forwarding is needed to route traffic from the VPN through the server to the internet. Run the following commands. Now that everything is set up, we can start the WireGuard VPN. Use these commands to bring up the VPN tunnel. The first command starts the VPN tunnel, and the second command shows the status of the WireGuard connection. You should see something like peer listed but no handshake yet. This is normal. Now let's set up the Windows client. Open the WireGuard app on your Windows machine, then add a new empty tunnel. Then paste the following configuration again. Replace the placeholders with your actual keys. Note that in this section, you need to enter the IP address of the VPS you set up. This may be the public IP address of your server. This configuration tells the Windows client how to connect to the server and route all traffic through the VPN. Note that you can check your IP address from both this command or from the online result. After you have made sure the IP address is correct, you can activate it. After configuring the client, turn on the tunnel in Windows. Then, to determine whether the VPN tunnel is up and running on the server, first restart the session, then log in as root again and run the clear command. And run. Note that if you are logged in as root and using sudo, there is no need to restart the session. You should see an entry for the client and its connection status. To ensure your VPN is working properly, try pinging an external IP address, such as 1.1.1.1 from the Windows machine. You can also check your public IP by visiting whatismyipaddress.com. If everything is set up correctly, it should show your VPS's IP address. If your IP address shows as the server's IP address, your VPN is working correctly, and your internet traffic is being routed through it. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own personal VPN server using WireGuard. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you are happy with this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.